Welcome to our YouTube channel Health and Beauty Tips. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to get rid of dark spots. So before starting this tip, please do subscribe to our channel. And now what we need for this tip is just an aloe vera gel and a paste. But before choosing an aloe vera gel, make sure that you are choosing the best quality. And either you can even use the tree aloe vera also. So now I'm going to mix this and apply on my face and show it to you. This is the aloe vera. To apply this paste on my face. So put this paste on your face for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can wash it for better results.